Good left by Sonsona. Oquendo is beginning to feel it and is beginning to get a little rugged.
Sabi ko nga, napapakwando-kwando na si Oquendo. Palagay ko tuloy na arangkada ni Eden Sonsona. That left is really a little blow para kay Eden Sonsona.
Yung timing niya maganda na yun. He is improve yung mga timing niya.
Pag tinamaan ka talaga ni Eden Sonsona, doon ka sa Garden of Eden pupulutin eh. Ganun kalakas eh.
He got out very nicely.
Ito nga sinasabi ni Buboy Fernandez, ayaw niya nung gano'n, na yung left straight na malayo ang distansya. Narrow the distance.
1-2 combination.
At nakita mo again, Sonsona again favoring the left straight. Ano? Pero pag binabari niya ang kanyang suntok, ginagamitan niya ng hook.
Yung hook.
Susceptible si Oquendo.
Oquendo. Final 10 seconds.
Ito po ay round number 4. Beautiful
Good
right.
right again by Sonsona. He's really outboxing Oquendo.
End of the round.
Time now for the Cobra Tunay na Lakas Punch of the Round.
Ayan po ang corner ni Eden Sonsona.
Buboy Fernandez, saka si Nonoy Neri. Yung maganda yung si Sonsona, he jumps into the punch, no? He jumps in with the punch, eh. So he gets leverage, see?
He plants his feet, he spreads his feet. Round number 5. Super bantamweights, Eden Sonsona kontra kay Jonathan Oquendo ng Puerto Rico.
And yung he's varying his punches. Si Eden Sonsona going upstairs, going down, going to the head, to side of the body.
At ito medyo may
Clash of heads
reklamo.
na.
Oh, there's blood.
That was a clash of heads, I thought, because he leaned in and he got it. Okay.
So lalong bumigat ang problema ni Oquendo.
Another good left hand by si Sonsona. Yung kaliwa ang importante para sa Sonsona. Tingnan mo yung galaw niya. Maganda yung galaw niya, pare.
Maganda. He can spin.
Yes, he spins round. He throws a punch and he spins around.
At notice po, ang pag-ikot ni Sonsona papunta sa kanan to gain leverage sa kanyang kaliwa.
Tama.
He moves to the right para diretso ang pwersa ng kaliwa pag binitawan niya yung left straight. Kaya ang kanyang galaw paatras, papunta kanan.
Saka he moves so well. He throws a punch and then dances out of trouble.
So far, so good. Alam nyo, July 26 pa po ang SONA ni President Noynoy Aquino. Pero ngayon pala, may sarili ng SONA, si Eden Sonsona. He is definitely delivering a message dito sa labang ito. And not that message, Ronnie.
Yeah. Good left by Sonsona. He hurt Oquendo.
Oquendo was hurt. Ito ba ang atake ni Sonsona? At halos one-eyed fighter na si Oquendo. And you can see, he's blinking his eyes.
Kasi yung...
Nababada na siya, Ronnie, ng
Yeah.
cut sa kanyang kanang mata. Oh, right hand by
Kanan.
Oquendo. Oh, big
Kaliwa.
left hand.
Oquendo in real trouble is backing off. Sonsona has him against the ropes.
Sonsona, big right hand.
Magandang kanan niya, yung lakas at kanan niya. Pagkatapos kaliwa, takbo ng takbo si Oquendo.
Oquendo in big trouble, mga kaibigan. On the attack, si Eden Sonsona.
Cannot afford to get careless. Yun ang medyo delikado.
Yan lang. Konting
Wag nang gigil na gigil.
Huwag masyadong gigil. Sapagkat may counter punch pa din.
Oh,
itong
yan.
si
Oquendo.
Jonathan Oquendo. Oquendo, a professional since 2004. Oh, big right hand again by Sonsona.
Magandang laban ito. Bakbakan.
Bakbakang umatikabo, mga kaibigan. And Sonsona rocking.
Oquendo.
Oquendo with those two right hands.
But he got wild with the left. He has to be careful. Final 10 seconds. Magandang laban ito.
Another big round for Eden Sonsona.
He was down.
Oh, he is hurt. He's complaining of
No.
the referee is calling a timeout. He appears to be buying time. Halos tapos na po ang round number 5. Yes, end of round number 5.